Animal videos will never get too old for the internet as long as people continue to get mesmerized, baffled, or amused by the antics of birds and animals. Such videos continue to trend, and we are here to talk about one such video that is doing the rounds in recent times. It's about a parrot. Parrots have been long known to have learned the art of verbal communication for humans. They are known to often talk and utter words that they have heard for humans around them. But now we have a parrot that has even imbibed the skills of engineering for humans. Look at this mechanic parrot from this viral video on Twitter. The parrot can be seen opening a nut bolt using its tongue. It seems using the force from its tongue to holster the screw upwards towards the edge of the nut bolt, and as it reaches towards the edge, the video is truly amazing as it makes us wonder what varied capabilities and intelligence parrots have to be able to understand the physics of how a nut bolt works. It is even seen rotating the bolt at a speed that a human generally cannot with their bare hands. The video has garnered more than 1.5 lakh views. A person asked, "What did the bird do with it? Wow, that's nuts." Read one of the comments. A person said, "If I tried this using my mouth, I would have probably swallowed it." What do you have to say about it?